It's well known that antioxidants protect your cells from the stress caused by free radicals. While vitamin E, vitamin C, and CoQ10 are great for helping protect cells, our body produces impressive antioxidants of its own. And among the body's most powerful is SOD. But over time, cellular stress increases while our body's production of SOD decreases. To help your clients promote healthy longevity and cellular function, Life Extension has created our dual-ingredient SOD booster. Formulated with clinically studied ingredients, SOD Booster helps promote the production of new SOD and protects cells against the stress of free radicals. Chokeberry extract was given every day to one study's participants. After 2 months of the same dosage as an SOD booster, there was a 29% increase in SOD. And Extramel is formulated to withstand digestive juices, allowing for more time to promote SOD production. Help your clients promote their natural antioxidant defenses. Recommend Life Extension's SOD Booster today.